Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black blank screen problem on Fubo. If Fubo opens but shows a black screen, no videos or sound without picture, don't worry, just follow this easy steps. First, make sure your internet connection is working. Fubo needs a strong and stable internet connection. Trying switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Weak internet can cause a black screen. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Fubo app, swipe it up to close it completely. Now open the app again and check the video. Press and hold the power button, slide to turn off your iPhone, wait for 10 seconds, turn your iPhone back on. This fixes many temporary screen issues. If you are using VPN, turn it off. VPN can cause video playback. Also stop screen mirroring or AirPlay if it is on. If the screen is still black, turn the Fubo app and delete the app. Restart your iPhone, then install the app from the App Store. You can also go to the App Store, search for Fubo. If you see update, tap it. Old app version can cause black screen problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.